But we are about to help some folks right now because we know that this is probably one of the times of the year that we dread the most, those allergies and pollen. I have my friend Lyle Nearby here with AdvantaClean. Thank you, sir, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
You got to help us, man, because allergens, not only are they living outside, but they're trying to creep into the house as well. So we got to clean our houses out.
Absolutely. It's actually worse inside your house than it is outside a lot of times.
Really?
Yeah, indoor air pollutants are worse than outdoor. First thing that we need to do is take our shoes off before coming inside.
Because we're tracking a lot of that stuff throughout the house because it's on our feet and we're stepping on that stuff outside.
Yeah, everywhere you walk, whether public, sidewalks, grass, leaves, bathrooms, you're tracking that in. If you have carpets, it's staying in your carpets.
So this next thing we're going to talk about is going to make your skin crawl. Because even though you think you're sleeping alone, you're really not sleeping alone. Please explain, Lyle.
Yeah, you have a lot of dust mites. And when you sleep, everybody sweats when they sleep, and the dust mites like the moisture, like the humidity of the bed. Other things that you have is your dander, your own dander. If you have pets like myself that like to crawl in the bed with you, then you have the pet dander, everything that they find while they're outside. So our suggestion at AdvantaClean is don't make your bed right away. I know it's going to drive the moms crazy out there.
No. You just saved me with my wife.
There you go.
So good.
I'm giving you permission. Don't make your bed right away.
Perfect.
That way it'll give time for the sheets to dry out, get rid of that moisture, let them cool down a little bit, because if you start making it right after you get out of bed, then it's going to trap in that moisture, going to trap in that heat, and the dust mites and all the allergens are just going to thrive in there. Yeah,
and you say that it's important that we pump out the soap. What does that mean?
Pump out the soap. If you use a bar soap, a lot of the bacteria that's on your hands is going to stay on that soap. So if you use a pump soap, you're only touching the soap, what's coming into your hand. You're not using the bar itself.
Yeah, and you have this here because this is important that we vent.
It is.
And I am notorious for not always changing out the filters, but it's important that I start doing that. It is
important because what goes into your air ducts circulates throughout your house all the time. It doesn't go away. Use a good pleated filter like this.
And how often should we be changing out our filters?
I like to consider it's seasonal. So during the summer, during the high pollen months, and you're spending more time outside, bringing that inside, changing more often, maybe once a month. During the winter, you could probably get away with every other month.
And you said something, you said that it's important that we share the tub, not the towel.
Yes. When you're drying off in the morning after you get out of your shower, dry off in the shower or the tub. That way you're not tracking all that moisture and leaving puddles on your bath mats. Because most people, if they leave puddles on the bath mats, get them soaking wet, then they sit there all day. Again, it's moisture. It's going to be a place for mold and bacteria to grow.
And steam heat.
Steam heat's the best thing to clean. If you have a cleaner that uses steam for your tile, your backsplash, your tub, your shower, that's the best thing you can do. The steam will kill everything.
So not using a cleaner, but just steam? Just steam. Steam water?
Yeah.
Really?
And if you want to go natural with your cleaner, use a little white vinegar.
Okay. All right. So you heard it here. And we got to get those allergens out of our house. Seriously.
Get those allergens. Get your air ducts cleaned. If you haven't done it in a while, AdvantaClean suggests you clean your air ducts every 2 to 5 years. Get them clean. Get those allergens out of there. And just take all these precautions to get it all taken care of.
All right. So you heard it here from the man himself. Thank you, Lyle, for being here. Let folks know where they can get in touch with AdvantaClean.
Yeah, you can give AdvantaClean a call at 877-800-2382 or look at us online at AdvantaClean.com.
All right, so I'm going to clean out my